Okay, so I have Dred versus Sanford, and it was decided March 6, 1857. And basically what happened is Dred Scott was a slave for Mr. and Mrs. Emerson. And for a short time, well, they started in Missouri, and then for a short time they moved to Illinois, which was a free state. And then they only lived in Illinois for a year, and then they moved back to Missouri. And once Mr. Emerson died, Dred Scott decided to sue for his freedom because he said that since he lived in a free state, he was free now. And the court decided against Dred Scott and said that he was still a slave because of Articles 3 and 4 of the Constitution, saying that because these articles said that no one but a United States citizen could be a citizen of the state, and only Congress can grant citizenship. And they believed that granting him special citizenship would cause problems for other people, or cause problems with other slaves.
Everything fair and gives everyone a chance